Hello and welcome to Tech's Review. Today we are going to learn how to make 5+ YouTube shorts within 3 to 5 minutes from a long video, with only a single AI video generator. To do this, at first you will need to find a long video from which you want to make shorts. It will very helpful for those who have at least a YouTube channel with few long videos. If you don't have channel, you may also try this strategy from others' video. Firstly, we have to select a long video. Then we are going straight to our AI generator. You will find the link in description. Please visit with our link from description or from first comment section. Then you will need to sign up. Click sign up button. And then click sign in with Google and select your Google account to sign in. And it will redirect you to dashboard. Now we need to go back to that YouTube video what we have previously selected. And copy the URL of that video from address bar. And come back to dashboard and select Upload from link. Here you can also upload your video. But in our case we are pasting our copied link to the box named Upload from link. And click on Continue button. A pop-up box will be shown. Here we can change language we want for our video. We keep it English and then select length we want from few options. We keep it or keeping it auto and click a next button. AI will start processing our video. It may take some times. And one thing. If you found our video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. AI start making clips for YouTube Shorts. It also takes times. Our clips are ready. We found AI create 5 clips from a 10 minutes video. If we can select long video, AI may also provide more clips. Here we find a score of the possibility of viral score and our transcript of this clip. Now let's see what AI generated for us.
Here you can use AI to venture on your journey. Tell any story you want. Create any place for any character. Sing anything you wish.
In any voice. Just type a simple text prompt and I can be
a
sorceress.
Or a gentle giant.
I can be a child, walking through mountain ranges, forbidden forests, futuristic city streets, dwarven mines, battlefields, attack ships on fire, off distant planets.
It really awesome, right? You saw? AI is also generated auto subtitle for this clip. We can edit or we can export the clip right from here. We need some editing, so now click on Edit. Here is our final editing panel. We can customize our video from this panel for final output. We can change the position of our text from video panel. Or even it is possible to customize font style, font size, color, pattern, effect, background color, etc. We can also upload PDF file, and if need to add images you can upload here and add to our video. We can change subtitles from subtitles option in left menu as well as background from background option. I think it's enough for this clip. We are clicking on export for final production. And that will start preparing to export our short. We can check the progress by clicking View button, as it will take more time, so here we go back to previous tab where all our clips were. We can edit more clips at a time, so we are selecting second clip and clicking to edit button. Here is our second clip. We can also edit it from this panel, and after finalizing we will click to export button. In this way we can create more shorts in less time. We can upgrade your plan by click on upgrade button. And check your requirement. Though in free plan you can export your clips, but that will have a watermark. That is the limitation of free version. We recommend we to sign up to this site with our link what is given on description section, so that you will get a discount and we will get an affiliate commission that will help us to grow. Now coming back to our first clips tab to check if our video is ready or not, though to export a final video takes 3 to 10 minutes. Yes, here is our final shorts. We can now share or upload it straight from here, or we can download this clip and upload to our YouTube channel. You can check another video we have previously made that how to upload you shorts from PC or laptop. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this strategy to make short videos. You can also able to upload this clips as your Facebook reel or even on Instagram. And thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more text-related videos from our channel.